May 20th. He thinks this is funny. Kyle, put him down. Put it down. That's funny to you. You eat your bananas. Kyle. No. No. Can you put it down? There. Good boy. Eat your bananas. Emma, get down. Kyle. No. How am I supposed to keep a straight face? When I tell you no, it's funny? Really? Oh boy. This might have to end. June 16, 2010. Guys, come on. You're gonna do it again? One more time. You're silly.